How to fix Instagram loading slowly. First thing you have to do is open up Instagram app and see if you are facing the issue in any particular area, like if your story is not loading or your posts are not loading. So see, you can also check the Reels section and see if the Reels section are working currently or not. And in this case, if you think in particular, that might be because of Instagram server issues. So you're gonna have to go to any website here, and then what you're gonna do is go ahead and simply search for down detector, hit enter, and then here you're gonna see if your Instagram servers are down. Go ahead and search for Instagram. And then if you can see here, it will show you the real-time monitoring and outage. So here are the Instagram outage of the last 24 hours. So you can check from here, but if that's not the issue, then you're gonna have to go ahead and long press on Instagram, head over to app info, and sometimes there might be some junk files that might be causing the issue, so it's a good idea to clear cache. As you can see, I had almost half a gigs of cache memory here, so I've cleared those, then force stop the app to completely restrict its background activities, and just give your phone a quick restart. Also, the last thing you have to make sure is that your app is up to date. Go ahead and search for app Instagram on Google Play Store or App Store. And if you see an update button here, make sure to update it to its latest version. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.